wind's kicking. Like, I'm gonna record this first fish on this clickbait. Dang it, bro, I just had a bite too. Oh my god, look at him. He got one already. First cast. Wait, what are you using?
Oh yeah, baby.
What are you, oh, he's so small.
Oh yeah.
What are you using? Oh, the fluke.
Yes sir, Googan fluke approved.
The Googan fluke. All right.
First cast. Oh my god.
Dude, yeah, I gotta freaking like.
Yo, let me be part of Googan already. Hold on, let me take a picture and put on my story. Hashtag Googan.
Googan, and then like put the Googan spike up on there.
Alright, this just looked so weird. Oh, that was easy.
All right, now give me a fish. Come on.
Shut up, I'm using a freaking clickbait.
Dude, what do you? Oh yeah, Googan fluke.
Second fish on the second cast.
In a little while, I might put a fluke on, like a regular fluke. Just I don't have any spikes. That's what they're called, right? Googan spike. What is it?
Dart.
Dart? Same thing. I'm gonna go over there.
This freaking rod cast is so smooth.
It's also a spinning rod.
Yeah, but it's only $50 too.
Oh, actually.
Well, this fish. Oh, come on.
Actually?
Wait, what the heck? What am I feeling? Oh, never mind. It came off. Dang it. Oh, it's gonna hit them.
These fish definitely aren't feeling the clickbait. Oh, I just crossed you.
Dude, I hate fishing when it's windy because I feel like I miss so much food.
How?
Then again, just tired. I don't have to do. Wait, which clickbait is that? Oh, the white?
Nice little backhand, guys. All right, I'm gonna walk down here a little bit. Oh, major backlash. See if anything wants to come up for this near the shore. It's happened before over here.
Did your mom not say she'd be back in an hour?
She did, I don't know what she's doing. And it just gives us more time to fish. Alright, I'm gonna try a fluke on in a little bit. I've gotten one strike with this thing. And I didn't even get it on camera, so. Ah! Dude, with the tension knob not on this thing, it's like.
Wait, you can still pay attention to that, right?
No.
Stupid Googan. To be honest, that's not even Robert's fault. That's just Googan's fault.
Yeah, I know.
That is a tension knob fly off.
Well, he also wanted to loosen it all the way so he can get the max casting distance.
Did he backlash with the guy?
Yeah. Alright.
Come on, brother. There's no way that was your only fish. Like that. Was hungry.
Alright, well, Jesus. That's a mess. Alright, we're good though. She's still running smooth. There's no way I don't catch anything on this. I'm gonna try for a couple more casts.
saw that too. It's so sexy.
Which one?
It's the DeMarini Voodoo 1, the 2021.
Actually?
$300.
Oh, I'm getting the 2021 Zen, orange and white. And I just ordered the I just ordered the BB Core Meta. It's a 31 drop 3.
Oh, hold on.
God, no way.
The BB Core Meta?
Yeah,
Wait, which one? The 2021 or the
2021.
so the like the camo looking one?
Yeah,
Yeah, my friend.
it's so nice, dude.
Why are you getting the Zen then if you got that?
I said I want the Zen.
Yeah, by the way,
Actually, I might have said
got
I
the-
don't know.
you should have got the 2021 Zen.
2021 what?
The 2020, like, Meta.
2020 or 2021?
The 2020. Because
Why?
it's better. Like, I'm actually dead blue.
Wait, which one is that?
I
What?
don't have it. It's the blue one.
Blue? Oh. Oh yeah, I saw that.
Blue and red
They
one's
have them
better.
at. They had them at Hit a Double, but.
Yeah, I got, and then, dang it, bro, you still got the Voodoo 1. You're gonna ask me first. The Voodoo 1's actually better and it's only $300.
Yeah, the Meta was 500.
Yeah, I know. My dad was gonna get me the Meta, but then I found out the Voodoo 1 and I used it. Look at my freaking friend's game, hit a nuke over the center fielder. Oh my goodness. Woo.
First time I tried using the.
Oh, okay.
Nice cast. First time I tried using the Meta, it was in a practice. We had a scrimmage in Little League, so like it was 200 fields. I hit at least 280. It was sexy.
Oh my God, I have to show you a video, bro. When I vlog,
But
I have to show you a video. I'll show you.
dude, that'd be awesome if the Karen comes up again today while I'm recording.
Yeah. Be like, where's the no fishing sign?
Yeah, we threw it in the lake. Here, I'll show you it. When we go over there. All right, I'm gonna take one cast over here and then I'm gonna switch. All right, last cast, I promise. Oh my God. All right, that doesn't count. Unless we catch a fish here, that doesn't count.
Oh, yeah.
No way. Dude, what? All right, yeah, I'm switching to the fluke now. Dude, I swear, next time I backlash, I'm switching rods too. Oh my God. Why did I think that was a fish? Yeah? Oh. Oh, you know what? That's my excuse. The claws were tangled up. Oh my God, alright.
Oh, you got those fish that I caught up, alright?
Yeah. Alright, I got the first one. I don't know about that last one. Bro, I need to get a new tension knob for it. It's Vincent. Do you know if they like sell tension knobs like separately? Do you know if like they sell tension knobs like separately?
You can buy one?
Yeah.
Probably. Look it up.
All right.
Oh,
Okay, I'm done. I might tie the clickbait onto my other bait caster because
it's so hard, like, Dylan, like, you don't understand how many things I have that I want to use that I've probably never used before, but I can't because I just know the fluke is so good, I just can't get off.
No, you're not getting another. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Before he catches another one, I'm gonna put the fluke on. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna try going this way with it. You never know. With the wind blowing my line though, I'm using braid, so it's not really too. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna go over here where the wind isn't too bad. See, like I didn't even try to cast that far, just carried it all the way over there. Vincent, can you toss me a Senko? Vincent, can you throw a Senko over here? Can you throw a Senko? Yeah, it's in my bag. Can you just throw it over here? Yeah, unless I catch them here, we're gonna switch over to that Senko. I just got smacked in the face by a leaf. Pretty chilly out today. Alright, yeah.
Wait, no, this one?
What does it look like?
Black and blue.
No. It's in one of the other tackle boxes. Yeah, that one. All right, 1 second.
Where'd it go? I don't even know where it went.
I got it. All right. Hey, yo. Actually, watch something huge just come up and eat that. It's gonna happen. Yeah, last time we were here, so we're at a public spot, or not really that public, but my grandpa lives near here, so we can fish in this lake. And some lady came up to us last time we were here, technically saying, "You can't fish here. What are you doing?" And she said she was gonna call the cops on us. Never did. We just keep coming back, because honestly, I mean, I haven't seen her today. She's almost always out here. So, I don't know. I think we're good for today, though. Oh, yo, you just took a shortcut. What the heck? I've always had good luck fishing on this side. This is where I caught that 5-pounder that I was talking about. For this, we're just gonna bounce it off the bottom. This wind though is pretty hard. But yeah. Almost every time I come here, I use Senko. One time I've caught like 17 fish in this one little lake over here. And then there's one over there. We might go to that in a little bit. There we go. Let him eat it. Right? Set the hook. There we go. That's a little fish. He's so small. So small. Flip or die, baby. Actually, not that small. It's pretty small. Alright. Okay, stop moving, guy. Do that thing. Alright. See you later, buddy. There we go. First fish of the day for me. Third of the day in all. He normally just slays when we're out here. He's just kind of weird like that. So, the Yamsenko, I mean, holding up pretty good after one fish. He gave up a pretty good fight, I'm not gonna lie, for that small of a fish. I thought he was a little smaller than that though. Oh, I just crossed you. I'm over you. Alright. Let's go back to back so we can tie it up maybe. Big grass right there. This lake's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. I've been here only 5-6 times. I've caught maybe 30 fish here, so it's a nice little spot. I keep getting caught up in grass. I mean, the fish in here, I mean, they're not huge, but there's a lot of them. You know what I mean? Which I'll take that any day. Fishing right now in Florida, not the easiest. Lately we've been getting some cold days, some hot days. I'm trying to get used to something every day. Today the wind's just kicking. Oh my god. He's still using that fluke over there. Hey yo, if you're gonna throw that, I'm gonna throw mine. I'm gonna throw mine. Hold on. So yeah, we brought like some huge swim baits to bring to a spillway that has like snook, tarpon, all that kind of stuff. All those big game fish. No, you didn't. Oh my god, he just got hit on the big swim bait. His is a little smaller than mine, so I might have a hard time getting anything, but apparently he just got hit, so. Alright, I'm gonna make my way over there, get my swim bait, see So you can catch. Oh my god, dude. It was definitely a small fish though.